Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying these Excalibur shells. I'm about to go shoot one off right now. Let's go. Alright, so this is the shell I'll be shooting off. It's blue and white glitter. Let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I hope you guys enjoyed those different types of angle shots I did. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Help me get to 1K subs. It will mean the world to me. Also, give this video a like and leave any recommendations down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.